So how does the Phantom 3 Standard really handle in the mountains in high winds? Let's find out. So today we will be trying out the Phantom 3 Standard drone, and we're hiking up Hesse Trail right outside of Netherland, Colorado. We stopped at a little cabin up the way. It's about 60 degrees out. We have a few wind gusts, and we're gonna check it out and see what happens. Mind that the wind up high is a lot stronger than it is down by the ground level. That's what we call winds aloft, and that's the most dangerous to our RC aircraft. According to DJI's website, the Phantom 3 Standard has a max service level of 6,000 meters. That's nearly 20,000 feet above sea level, if you're talking elevation. I just really find it hard to believe that this thing is going to withstand these winds, but what you pay for the product. Now we can really see the drone starting to gain altitude, and if you look at Levi's phone here, we can scan the whole area. The drone appears to be sitting up there pretty steadily in the wind. So we're going to take it up a little higher. Now this video would have been way more cool if we could have had raw footage from the drone itself, but we forgot a micro SD card. So don't forget a micro SD card. Now at this point the drone is so high, Levi doesn't really know where it's at. We can't even see the drone, but I'm trying to search for it here.
Here, let's watch the...
Yeah, what's it? Now once you hear that beeping, that means that it's time for the drone to come home. And when it does that, it will automatically land in the spot that it first took off. Now this beeping is just a safety feature in the drone so that it doesn't run out of battery while it's in the air, which would obviously not be a good scenario.
Right over you.
So as we can see here, Levi is correct. The drone is going up a little bit and coming over right to the spot where we had it take off. Now you can really see how clear that camera footage is from the drone up there. It's pretty amazing. Now the wind's died down a little bit here, but you can see the drone's coming in just perfectly, nice and steady. Right back to the spot where it took off. And Levi's kind of moving it around a little bit on his own just to show off, but you just have so much control over this thing when you're flying it.
Thought you were gonna take it straight at me. I was like, whoa!
And there you have it, the Phantom 3 Standard flying in the mountains in wind gusts, no problems at all.
So I just came back and